Welcome class, this is Mr. Avila, and this video offers you the opportunity to earn extra credit points by combining like terms. There are 25 questions and each question is worth half a point. You are expected to show all your work on a separate sheet of paper. Let's begin. Number 1, we have the quantity 3x minus 4 plus the quantity 2x minus 8. We are adding the 2x and adding the negative 8. Rewriting this, we have 3x minus 4 plus 2x plus a negative 8. We can use the commutative property to bring the 2x closer to the 3x, and we can rewrite this as 3x plus 2x minus 4 plus a negative 8. The minus 4 could be written as plus a negative 4, and we now have the ability to combine like terms. We can see that the like terms are associated with each other, close to one another, and we now have 3x plus 2x is 5x, plus a negative 4 plus a negative 8 is a negative 12. But I think it's best to keep in mind that plus negative is also minus. So let's rewrite this as 5x minus 12. Number 2. We have the quantity negative 3x minus 4 plus 8x plus 7. We are adding the 8x plus 7. Rewriting this, we have negative 3x minus 4 plus 8x plus 7. We can use the commutative property to bring the 8x to the front, and we can say that this is 8x minus 3x minus 4 plus 7. 8x minus 3x is 5x, and 7, mentally bring the 7 up front. It's always best to start with the positive. 7 minus 4 is 3. Number 3. We have the quantity negative x plus 6 plus the quantity negative x plus 6. We are adding a negative x and adding a negative 6. Rewriting this, we have negative x plus 6 plus a negative x plus a negative 6. We can use the commutative property and combine that with the negative x. Negative x plus negative x is a negative 2x. And 6 plus a negative 6, we can say that that is going to be 6 minus 0. So the simplified form would be negative x plus negative x is negative 2x, plus 6 minus 6 would be plus 0, and we can say that this is negative 2x. Number 4, we have the quantity 8x minus 8 plus 7x plus 7. We are adding the 7x and the 7. Rewriting this, we have 8x minus 8 plus 7x plus 7. We can show that that 7x can be combined with the 8x by bringing it in closer. And we can rewrite this as 8x plus 7x minus 8 plus 7. 8x plus 7x is 15x. And 7 minus 8 is negative 1. Number 5, we have the quantity 4x minus 3 plus the quantity negative 3x plus 9. We are adding everything in the second quantity, and we rewrite this as 4x minus 3 plus a negative 3x plus 9. Plus a negative, sometimes it's best stated as minus. So let's rewrite this as 4x, and using the commutative property to bring this in closer, the minus 3x closer to the 4x, we say 4x minus 3x minus 3 plus 9. 4x minus 3x is 1x, and 9 minus 3 is 6. The simplified expression is x plus 6. Number 6. Number 6 reads, the quantity negative 9x plus 7 plus the quantity negative x minus 4. We are adding the negative x minus 4. Rewriting this, we have a negative 9x plus 7 plus a negative 1x plus a negative 4. Using the commutative property, we can say that this is negative 9x plus a negative 1x plus 7 plus a negative 4. Negative 9x plus negative 1x is negative 10x. And we have 7 plus a negative 4, and 7 plus a negative 4 is the same as 7 minus 4, and 7 minus 4 is 3. So the simplified algebraic expression is negative 10x plus 3. Number 7 reads, the quantity 5x minus 5 plus the quantity negative 7x minus 10. We are adding everything in the second quantity to the first quantity, and we can rewrite this as 5x minus 5 plus a negative 7x plus a negative 10. We have 5x minus 7x, and we have a negative 5 plus a negative 10. 5x minus 7x is a negative 2x, plus a negative 5 plus a negative 10 is a negative 15. And plus a negative is always best. Well, not always, but in many cases, it's best to say minus. So the simplified algebraic expression is a negative 2x minus 15. Number 8 reads, the quantity negative 4x plus 2 plus the quantity x plus 7. We are adding everything in the second quantity. Rewriting this, we can write negative 4x plus 2 plus x plus 7. We have x minus 4x. X minus 4x is a negative 3x. And we have 2 plus 7, and 2 plus 7 is 9. The simplified algebraic expression for this is negative 3x plus 9. Number 10 reads, negative 5x plus 2 plus the quantity 3x minus 8. Once again, we are adding the second quantity to the first quantity. We can rewrite this as negative 5x plus 2 plus 3x plus negative 8. We have 3x minus 5x. 3x minus 5x is a negative 2x. And we have 2 minus 8. 2 minus 8 is a negative 6. The simplified algebraic expression is negative 2x minus 6. Number 11. Number 11 reads 7x minus 6 plus the quantity 1x minus 9. We are adding everything in the second quantity, and we can rewrite this as 7x minus 6 plus 1x plus a negative 9. We have 7x plus 1x, which is 8x. And we have a negative 6 plus a negative 9, which is a negative 15. And we can say plus a negative 15, but the plus and negative is best, well, many times it's best to say minus. So we have negative 15 expressed as minus 15. 8x minus 15. Number 12. Number 12, we have the quantity negative 2x minus 8 plus the quantity 3x plus 6. We are adding everything in the second quantity. Rewriting this, we have negative 2x minus 8 plus 3x plus 6. We have 3x minus 2x. 3x minus 2x is 1x. And we have 6 minus 8. 6 minus 8 is minus 2. The simplified algebraic expression is x minus 2. Number 13. Number 13, we have the quantity negative 2x plus 1 plus negative 3x minus 7. We have the addition of the second quantity to the first. We have negative 2x plus 1 plus negative 3x plus negative 7. We have a negative 2x plus a negative 3x, which is a negative 5x. And we have 1 minus 7. 1 minus 7 is a negative 6. So the simplified algebraic expression is negative 5x minus 6. Number 14. Number 14, we have the quantity 9x minus 2 plus the quantity 6x plus 2. Rewriting this, we have 9x minus 2 plus 6x plus 2. We have 9x plus 6x is 15x. And we have 2 minus 2, which is 0. The simplified algebraic expression is simply 15x. Number 15, we have the quantity 5x minus 1 plus the quantity negative 8x plus 5. Rewriting, we have 5x minus 1 plus a negative 8x and plus 5. We have 5x minus 8x. 5x minus 8x is a negative 3x. And we have 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. The simplified algebraic expression is negative 3x plus 4. Number 16, we have the quantity negative 2x plus 9 plus the quantity negative 3x minus 2. Rewriting, we have a negative 2x plus 9 plus a negative 3x plus a negative 2. We have a negative 2x plus a negative 3x. A negative 2x plus a negative 3x is a negative 5x. And we have 9 minus 2. And 9 minus 2 is 7. So the simplified algebraic expression is negative 5x plus 7. Number 17. We have the quantity 6x minus 3 plus negative 4x minus 9. Rewriting, we have 6x minus 3 plus a negative 4x plus a negative 9. We can say that this is 6x minus 4x, and 6x minus 4x is 2x. And we can say that negative 3 plus negative 9 is negative 12. But that's the same thing as minus, so we can say that this is 2x minus 12. Number 18, we have the quantity negative 7x plus 1 plus the quantity 6x plus 9. Rewriting this, we can write negative 7x plus 1 plus 6x plus 9. Combining like terms, we have 6x minus 7x. 6x minus 7x is a negative 1x. And we have 1 plus 9. 1 plus 9 is 10. The simplified algebraic expression is negative 1x plus 10. Number 19, we have the quantity 8x minus 1 plus the quantity negative 13x plus 2. Rewriting this, we have 8x minus 1 plus a negative 13x plus 2. We can call that plus a negative minus and say that we have 8x minus 13x. 8x minus 13x is negative 5x. And we have 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1, which is 1. The simplified algebraic expression is negative 5x plus 1. Number 20. Number 20, we have the quantity negative 4x plus 2 plus the quantity 5x minus 1. Rewriting this, we have a negative 4x plus 2 plus 5x plus negative 1. We have 5x minus 4x. 5x minus 4x is 1x. And we have 2 plus a negative 1. But instead of plus a negative 1, we can say minus. That's nice and convenient. 2 minus 1 is 1. So the simplified algebraic expression is x plus 1. Number 21. We have the quantity 3x minus 2 plus the quantity 4x minus 2. Rewriting, we have 3x minus 2 plus 4x plus a negative 2. Combining like terms, we have 3x plus 4x is 7x. And we have a negative 2 plus a negative 2 is a negative 4. So we can say 7x plus a negative 4, or instead of saying 7x plus a negative 4, we can say 7x minus 4. The simplified algebraic expression is 7x minus 4. Number 22. We have negative 2x minus 8 plus 8x plus 2. Rewriting, we have negative 2x minus 8 plus 8x plus 2. We have 8x minus 2x. Using the commutative property, we can place that at the front of the expression, and 8x minus 2x is 6x. And we have 2 minus 8. Same reasoning here. We can move this out in front, and we can say the positive first. So it's 2 minus 8. 2 minus 8 is a negative 6. So it's 6x minus 6. Number 23. 23, we have the quantity negative 3x plus 3 plus the quantity negative 1x minus 1. Rewriting this, we have a negative 3x plus 3 plus a negative x plus a negative 1. A negative 3x plus a negative 1x is a negative 4x. And we have 3 minus 1. And 3 minus 1 is 2. The simplified algebraic expression is negative 4x plus 2. Number 24. We have the quantity 6x minus 6 plus the quantity negative 8x plus 3. Rewriting this, we have 6x minus 6 plus a negative 8x plus 3. We can say 6x minus 8x. 6x minus 8x is a negative 2x. And we can say 3 minus 6. 3 minus 6 is negative 3. The simplified algebraic expression is negative 2x minus 3. Number 25. We have the quantity 3x minus 8 plus the quantity negative 7x plus 3. Rewriting this, we have 3x minus 8 plus a negative 7x plus 3. We have 3x minus 7x. 3x minus 7x is a negative 4x. And 3 minus 8 is a negative 5. The simplified algebraic expression is negative 4x minus 5. Please make sure you've copied all the problems, all the work, showing your work, and turn this in for extra credit. Thank you, and if you have any questions, please bring it to tutoring. Y'all have a good day. Bye-bye.